So here we go to the leek soup making process. First, note the ingredients. Here we will be needing 2 bunches of leeks, 1.5 pinch of milk, 1 ounce of butter, potatoes, pepper and salt to taste, and the juice of a lemon. Lastly, for serving purpose. So that was the ingredients. Next, go to the cooking. First, we have to cut off the coarse part of green ends of leek, and we have to cut the leeks lengthwise so as to be able to brush out the grit, because that is very important, and we have to see that no grit remains. Next, we have to wash the leeks again well and again see that no grit remains. Then, if no grit remains, then cut them in short pieces. After cutting, next we go to peel and wash and cutting up the potatoes. Then cook both vegetables, means potatoes and leeks, with 2 pinches of water. When the vegetables become tender, we have to rub them through a sieve. And then again return the mixture to the saucepan and add the butter, milk and seasoning to it and boil the soup up again. And after the boiling of soup, we have to go to the serving stage. But before serving stage, we have to add the lemon juice and may be served with the snippets of toast. So that would be all for the leek soup cooking process. Hope you like it. Please make this healthy dish. Thank you.